Hi everyone, welcome back to Transformed Lifestyle, a place where I talk about personal development, entrepreneurship, making money online, healthy living, beauty and lifestyle. My name is Sylvia. I'm a life coach, a content creator, and an online entrepreneur. My goal is to help people transform their lifestyle using their God-given potential, utilizing their skills and talents to transform their lives, be whole, and live a life of freedom. If this is something that you're interested in, keep on watching, and remember to please subscribe to this channel and like the videos and comment. Share your comments in the comments below and let me know if you found value in this content. So in today's video, I am going to be talking about how you can transform your lifestyle. And one way you can transform your lifestyle is be a continuous lifelong learner. It is always good to keep improving yourselves. We live in an information technology age where information is changing rapidly. So for you to continue to be relevant in this world, you have to make a decision to be a continuous lifelong learner. You have to keep improving yourself. You have to keep on improving and discovering your skills and talents. And this is what I would like to help you with in this platform. So improve your life, keep growing, and be able to translate the information that you have and help it improve your life. So how do you do that? You have to have and develop the skill to be able to digest information rapidly, because information is changing every day. So the more you're learning, the more you should be able to apply and convert that information in a way that it is going to add value to you. Do not just consume information and you're not digesting it, you're not making use of it, you're not taking action. Make sure whenever you learn something new that you share that information or do something with that information to improve your life. And that's how you keep on growing. That is how you keep on developing your personal life. And another thing that you need to do is to develop your skills and your talents. Discover your skills. What are you naturally good at? Discover that. And that is what I'm here to help you do. If you find that you are not able to discover your potential and your skills, allow me to help you. I invite you that to be your coach, so that I can help you discover your skills and talents. And I'll be sharing a link below on how you can enroll, and so that we can you can receive an email from me and we can go on a discovery call where I will be having a session with you to help you discover your skills and talents. So let me know if that is something you're interested in. Drop me an email and tell me that you're interested in. You need somebody to help you. You need somebody to guide you. You need somebody to hold your hand. That is my goal, to help transform people's lives. Yeah, by helping you realize your God-given potential so that you can use your skills and talents to transform your life so that you can live a life of wholeness and a life of freedom. We all want to enjoy a life of liberty. We want to improve our lives. We want to live a life of freedom. And it is possible to live that kind of life when you discover that you are created with potential, that you are created with abilities and skills. And some are inborn skills, some are inborn abilities, others you acquire through knowledge, through training, and this is what I'll be helping you discover. So subscribe to this channel so that you'll be notified whenever I post new videos on personal development, entrepreneurship. Maybe not everybody is cut out for a 9-to-5 job. There are those who are born entrepreneurs, and there are those who can balance both. And I've discovered one thing: for you to be successful and for you to increase your wealth and for you to increase your income, you have to have multiple streams of income. So that is what I'll be showing you, how you can make money online. We thank God that even because of the pandemic, many people are now aware that you can make money online, and many people are working online, and it has created a whole opportunity for many people to increase their wealth, to discover have an untapped potential. So that is one thing I'll be doing. I'll be helping you, and I'll be showing you how you can make money online, and also to help you know that your wealth, your health is your wealth. You know, you may have all these things, but if you do not have good health, you're not able to enjoy a good life of freedom. So I'll be sharing with you how you can live a healthy life, and I'll be sharing with you tips, recipes, and just strategies that you can use to be made whole, to live a wholesome life, soul, spirit, and body. And also for those who are interested in beauty and in lifestyle, we'll be sharing that kind of content. So just to recap, I want you to make a decision to be a continuous lifelong learner. It doesn't matter how old you are or how young you are. It is never too late to start. It is never too late to improve your life. It is never too late. You can improve your life at any given point. And now that we know that we are living in an information technology age where information is changing rapidly, you have to keep improving your skills and talents. You have to keep improving yourself. You have to be able to digest information rapidly and add value to your life and improve your life. So keep it here, and remember, I'm your life coach. I'm here to help you. I'm here to guide you. I'm here to hold your hand and show you how you can use your God-given potential, using your skills and talents to transform your lifestyle, be whole, and live a life of freedom. So until the next video, bye.